Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to do a nosestall revert. This trick is really similar to the nosestall, but this time at the end you will push your board 180 to finish the movement. So the foot position for this trick is your front foot on the nose and your back foot is over the bolts. As you go up the ramp with just enough speed to reach the coping, shift your weight over to your front foot, extend your front leg and bend your back leg. This will help you to get the balance over to your front foot. Keep the pressure on your front foot, and when you're ready to come back, push your nose in front of you. Start the turn with your shoulders and look where you're going, and make sure you keep the pressure on your nose. As soon as you turn 90, shift your balance to the center of your board, put down all four wheels and roll away. Thank you guys for watching. Hit subscribe if you want to watch the weekly videos, but the most important is to go skate, practice your new trick, just go skate and have fun.